Alright, so the song, so we're gonna go right when the grandma starts talking on the phone. And so it's gonna sound like this. Alright, so that's what we're going to learn today. So, we're going to learn that part and then the little river part that goes, like... So we're going to learn all that part too. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to learn is the left hand for the main part of this song. I would teach the rest of it, but it's kind of beat heavy and the sound's pretty synthesized in the background, so I think this part is the most beautiful and the most important, so this is all we're going to learn. So the first chord is a C major 7. So and then we're gonna play an inverted G major 7. But so essentially I just go from this. My pinky moves to the D. I'm essentially playing a D, except not really. Like instead of it playing an A, my fingers play on either side of it, which is an inverted G major 7, but it kind of looks like a D almost. And then I'm gonna play that 3 times in a row before I move to an E flat major 7, which is. And from here I'm gonna go to an A flat major 7. To a G major 7, which is what we were playing earlier, but not inverted. F major 7. And back to the E flat. And that's the whole first part. So just focus on this left hand while I play the right hand. C major 7, G major 7, inverted, back to the C major 7, to the G major 7, inverted, back to the C major 7, to the G major 7, E flat major 7, A flat major 7, G major 7. I like to play out the chords with this port to the F major 7, G major 7 to the F major 7, and we're gonna end on the E flat major. Well, actually, we'll just go over the right hand. So, this is the right hand. Your thumb's gonna start on the F sharp, and it's gonna play F sharp, G, A, C. Oh, sorry, D. So yeah, you're gonna wanna go thumb, index, middle finger, and then pinky. And then that's gonna go on the B, right here. I'll play it one more time with your left hand playing the C major 7. And we're gonna jump up to this D with the pinky. It's gonna play D, B, A. So it's gonna sound like this. And if you want to play the B up here, you still can. And after this, we're gonna come back to the D, which is, you know, a pattern. That was the same thing, D, B, A, B, which is what we played up here. So, full speed, or half speed. Up an octave, back down on the D. And then to get to the E flat major, we're gonna play this D and then an F. And then here is just part of the chord. You just play whatever. G major 7, F major 7. And you're gonna play this whole part 3 times. And then on the 3rd time, it's gonna go into this river flow. And it's eventually 4 lines, and it's gonna start with this E flat major. And every single chord that we're gonna play, it's gonna be your pinky and your ring finger that are gonna play the notes. And that's true for every single chord we're gonna play, mostly. So it's gonna go E flat to A flat major, 7. These are all 7s, so every time I say a chord, it's a 7th. So E flat major 7, A flat major 7, G major 7. These are all chords that we've been playing so far. A major 7. All right. So let me go over that again. So after the 3rd time, you're just gonna stick with the chord. And you're gonna kind of start playing this little river flow with your pinky and your ring finger. Now this, this is essentially an E flat major. I'm just playing it differently. So I'm playing a G minor on the right hand and B flat octaves in the left. But I'm still doing the pinky and ring finger with the right hand. So after that A major 7, we're gonna play this inverted E major 7. Back to the A flat major 7, G major 7, to a D7, or D major 7. And you know, this is a common pattern with this, so it's essentially going to be the E flat major, A flat major 7, G major 7. And that's going to be the case for the start of every single one. I have it broken down into 4 lines with 4 chords each, and they all 3s are going to start with E flat major 7. Oh, sorry. A flat major 7, G major 7. And the very last chords are almost the same. They're gonna the first line's gonna end with the A major 7. The second line's gonna end with a D major 7. The third line's gonna end with an A major 7. And then the last line's gonna end with a D major 7. So they just alternate. And then you're just gonna repeat this opening line. Alright, I hope that wasn't too confusing, but I'm gonna play it through it one time just so you understand the river flow. I'll play it in slow-mo, and then you just repeat that first part, and then that's the song. So we're gonna go from this part. we can get there. Whoops. And notice I'm just kind of, instead of playing the actual chord, I'll just play the last two notes. Alright, now it's the fourth line, so that's where we finish. And then we're going to start over. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know one person in particular was asking about it, so this one's for you. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you very much.